Okay, we've been talking about the letter W, and we know that weather begins with the letter W. And this is Clifford the Weather Dog. And what kind of weather is happening in this picture here? Yeah, it's raining, okay? And you can see that Emily Elizabeth is wearing her rain boots and her raincoat and a rain hat. And even Clifford is wearing a big yellow rain hat, okay? So this is Clifford the Weather Dog. Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog. Here on Birdwell Island, we have all kinds of weather. Some days are very windy. Trees sway from side to side. Leaves swirl all about. Oh my goodness, look what's happening. Even clothes are blowing around, and the mail is blowing around. That's not good. In winter, we have cold, snowy days. Everyone has to bundle up to stay warm. Cleo and T-Bone wear earmuffs. Clifford has a special scarf. And these kids are wearing scarves, and they're even ice skating. In spring, we get lots of rainy days. First, the clouds come out. Then the sky gets gray. Soon, big drops of water fall from the sky. On rainy days, everyone uses umbrellas, raincoats, and boots when they go outside. But not Clifford. My big red dog wears a big yellow hat. Oh, he doesn't have it on there, but he does have it on the front there. I guess he forgot to put it on. Sometimes we hear thunder, and then we see lightning. Poor Clifford. He doesn't like thunder. I always give him a big hug and tell him not to be scared. Yeah, a lot of dogs are afraid of the thunder. Even if one day is dark and raining, the next day can be bright and sunny. And sometimes there may be a special surprise waiting for us in the sky. You know what that is? Yeah, sometimes after it rains, when the sun comes back out, sometimes there's a rainbow in the sky. Like I said, we get all kinds of weather here on Birdwell Island. But rain or shine, every day is fun, as long as I'm with Clifford, my big red dog. Okay, so that's Clifford the Weather Dog. Now, we have done a lot of work in our classroom with patterns. Okay, remember when we would do our calendar, we would do like our color patterns, like things like red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, and we would continue that. Sometimes we did shapes like circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. Okay, we did patterns with the children. We did girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. We did up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? We turn the lights on, off, on, off. So there's all different ways that we can make patterns. And today what we're going to do is we're going to be making patterns. We're going to be making weather patterns, okay? So we're going to take this paper here. And first we're going to color something. We're going to do that part together. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to do the pattern part together. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is this first picture here. You see this picture right there? What is that a picture of? That's the sun. All right, we're going to take our yellow crayon and we're going to color the sun. And everywhere that you see a sun, we're going to make it yellow. Okay, so color all of the suns yellow. Wherever you see a sun. All right, here's another one up here. You see any more suns? Yeah, way down here. You see that sun down there? Okay, we're going to color that sun. Make that yellow. And let's go across. There's another one. Color that yellow. And now if you look way down on the bottom, you see that sun right there? Color that one yellow also. Okay, put your yellow crayon away. And now what I want you to do is look at this next picture here. Okay, here we see the picture of the cloud with the rain. Now take your gray crayon if you have one. If you don't have gray, then take your black and do it super, super light. And we're just going to do the cloud part. Okay, just the cloud part with your black crayon. Very lightly, okay? And we're going to come down to this row. You see another cloud? that very lightly. Just the one with the rain, okay? Now you don't want to color those. Don't want to color those. Just the ones that has the rain on it. Okay, so this one down here. All right, and then you could take your blue crayon and you could just make little blue rain things if you want with your blue. Or you can just leave it the way it is. Okay, so there we have our rain. Now there's nothing we're going to color in here with the snow and the wind. But let's come down where the rainbow is. Okay, down here where the rainbow is. And let's take our red crayon. This is really skinny, so you just want to make one little line across. One little line across the top. Okay. And then down here on the bottom is another one. Just make one little line across. And maybe you take your orange crayon and do one little line across. Okay, now we know that rainbows have 6 colors, but this is real small, so we're only going to use a couple of colors. Okay, and you can take your yellow next and just make one little thing across. All right, and then maybe you could take your green crayon if you want that, or a different color. Okay, and make just one little one across. Okay. And there we have our rainbows. All right, so now that we have them colored, what we're going to do is we're going to cut these pictures on the bottom. We're going to cut straight across your paper, okay? So let's just cut that off first. Cut straight across, all the way. Cut across your paper. Okay, now put this one back up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut out our little picture. So first we're going to cut off those 2 end pieces. Okay, and now we're going to cut off this big line here. Cut that straight across. And now we're going to just separate our pictures, okay, right on the dotted line. Okay, so we have our 4 pictures here. All right, so now what we're going to do is, looking at those pictures, let's go each row at a time, and we're going to put our patterns together. We're going to finish our patterns. We have sun, rain, sun, rain, sun. What do you think should come next? Rain. Good. Find the picture of the rain. Did you find it? Okay. Find your rain. And then what we're going to do is we're going to glue that right into this box right up here. Okay, so you're going to put a little glue in there and take your picture of the rain, and you're going to put the rain right in there. So we have sun, rain, sun, rain, sun, rain. Okay, now let's look at the next one. The next one we have snow. This is a symbol for wind. So we have snow, wind, snow, wind, snow. What should come next? Wind. Find the picture of the wind. Okay, this is the wind. Do you have it? Good. And we're going to put the wind right here in this box. So you put your little bit of glue, and we'll put our wind in there. Okay, so we have snow, wind, snow, wind, snow, wind. That's a pattern. Okay, and let's look down at the next row. This is going to be a tricky one, so listen carefully, okay? Rainbow, rainbow, rain, rain. Rainbow. What do you think? Rainbow. Good. Let's find your rainbow. And we're going to put the rainbow right in this box here. All right. Rainbow, rainbow, rain, rain. Rainbow, rainbow. Good. And then down on the bottom, here's another tricky one. We have sun, cloud, cloud. Sun, cloud, cloud. What do you think should come next? Sun. So take your picture of your sun, and we're going to put that right here on the bottom. Okay. Put that right here. And now let's go over all of our patterns one more time. Okay, we have sun, rain. So this is what's repeating. That's our pattern rule. Sun, rain. So we have sun, rain, sun, rain, sun, rain. Very good. And then down here, our pattern rule is snow, wind. So let's do this one. Snow, wind, snow, wind, snow, wind. Good. All right, down on the next one, we have rainbow, rainbow, rain, rain. That's our pattern rule. Rainbow, rainbow, rain, rain. Rainbow, rainbow. Good. And the last one, our pattern rule is sun, cloud, cloud. You ready? Sun, cloud, cloud. Sun, cloud, cloud. And our next one is sun. Good job. All right, so those are our weather patterns. And I wonder what kind of weather it is today. Right now it's kind of cloudy. Later on it's going to be raining. So why don't you look at this paper here and circle one of the pictures that shows what the weather is like today. Okay?